We'll be using option LST-AB01. First step, we're going to program the key in the slot. Now the light isn't flashing. We can test to make sure the key is programmed. Alright, so it is now programmed to work in the slot. Now we need to activate the keyless features. In order to do that, we are going to need to first reset the keyless system. This will take 16 minutes. Alright, our keyless reset is now complete and the original remote is no longer working. We're going to want to add our new remote first in this situation. So we'll select Program Keyless. Sometimes it is best when the sensors are bad to hold it near the door handle when you press the buttons. Got the first one, now we'll go to the old one. Just takes a few seconds for the smart box to move on, but then after that both of our remotes should be working. Alright, we want to hit back to exit out of programming. Close our door. Alright, new one is working. And the old one is working as well.